everyone, and welcome back to Crafts&Magic. Today I'm going to be teaching you 3 simple origami projects for absolute beginners. Alright, so the first thing we're going to be making is a Viking helmet. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is fold your paper into a mountain fold or into a triangle. So now your paper is in this triangle shape. You're going to fold this edge up like this, and then do the same on the other side. Now that you have this, you're going to turn your thing upside down so that these flaps should be able to come up. So now you're going to fold these flaps up. Like so. And you should be able to, you should have 2 little flaps here. So now what you're going to do is fold these like this. It doesn't matter how far, it just depends on your preference. So you fold them. Now you're just going to take the first flap here and fold it up just to about here, just a little bit past the bottom of these flaps here. So fold it here, and then now we're up here. We're gonna fold this in half like that, and here is the top part of your Viking hat. Now all you're gonna do is fold this flap inside, and you have a cute little Viking hat. Oh, also a cool little trick you can do is, this is a Viking hat, right? But if you fold it in half, it turns into a fish. Alright, the next thing we're going to be making is a fortune teller. So what you're going to do first is fold your paper in the mountain fold again. And then fold it in half, so it's a smaller triangle. Then you're just going to open that up, and you're going to start folding the corners into this middle crease that you've made. Now, you have this square shape, and you're going to flip it over, and you should have a grid, sort of, made with your creases. And you're just going to fold these corners into this middle dot on the grid. Just like this. you're gonna flip it over and fold it in half. Now you should have this sort of shape. So now to make it in the fortune teller shape, you're just gonna fold it the other way. And then when you put your fingers in, should be this fortune teller shape. And now you got it into that shape, you're gonna start writing stuff on your fortune teller. Alright, so outside here, the numbers will be here. So if you just open it up, you'll see you'll write the numbers right here. So you can also do colors if you want, which I usually do, but most people do numbers because you're going to put numbers in here. So if you want to do colors, then you can spell out the number of letters. So for instance, if I write purple, then purple has 6 letters, and if someone points to purple, then I'll count to 6 times. Alright, now you have the colors written, you're gonna write the numbers. So some people do one number for each of these flaps. I like to do more fortunes, so I do one number for each half. So, and you can do any numbers that you want, and it will be fine. You can skip numbers, you can not do any numbers. It shouldn't be in order. Alright, so you've written out your numbers. Now you're going to write the fortunes. So to do this, you're going to open up your fortune teller. And since I like to do 2 fortunes per flap, I'm just going to draw a line along this crease. I've finished my fortunes. Now we're just going to fold up these flaps. Fold this up again. Put our fingers in the flaps. And now our fortune teller is finished. So the way this works is someone will point to a color, right? Say they point to green. So green has 5 letters. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pick from 7, 9, 4, or 11. Say they say 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back on the same one. 7, 9, 4, or 11. Say they say 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 1, 5, 8, or 3. Say they say 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 7, 9, 4, or 11 again. Say they say 11. Now we're going to open it up and look at what fortune is under 11. Your biggest dreams will come true. And that's how the fortune teller works. The next thing we're going to be making is an origami frog. So first you're going to fold the paper in half, like so. Then you're going to fold like this. Then you're going to unfold that and fold it on the other side. Now you're going to flip it over and fold this right where the 2 middle creases meet. Now you can unfold that and flip it over. So now you should easily be able to go like this. Now you're going to fold this in half. And then you're going to fold these just like this. These are going to be the legs. So you can go like this. Alright, now you're going to fold this so that it lines up exactly with this crease. And repeat on the other side. Alright, so now you're going to fold this in half. And you're going to sort of bring out these flaps like this and fold it like this. Now you're going to bring down this leg, bring down the other leg, now you're going to fold this in half, and this is where it gets a little tricky. You're going to make the jumping part. So you just sort of fold it so that this part is more, this top part is more farther back than the bottom part. And there you go. You are finished with your origami jumping frog. Alright, that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more arts and crafts. And I'll see you in the next video.